This is going to be services. So I'm going to copy that here, and I'm going to just put a lowercase s in there. We'll copy this again. I'll return twice, one more time. And I'm going to paste that in. We're going to do portfolio. Okay. We're going to do, okay, and let's do this. So I'll copy all this. And we're going to do about, copy that, paste it here, paste it there. We'll change this to a lowercase a, and we'll do the same with contact. Okay, we'll do contact. Oh. I'm going to right click. Actually, I'm not going to right click. I'm going to go in the browser. I'm going to go to our localhost, bootstrap.com. I'm going to refresh. And now you see Bootstrap, Home, Services, Portfolio, About, Contact. Okay? So I'm going to do it this way because I have this feature. When you right-click and open in the browser, it's turned off because I have the program pointed to another program. So it opens up this program when I try to view it in the browser. So that's okay. All right, so we got that working. So now what I want to do is I want to start on the carousel. So what we're going to do now is we're going to go to the bottom of our navigation. We're going to return twice, okay? And we're going to name this. We're going to do Start Slideshow. And then we're going to return a couple times. Let's return one more time. And we're going to do End Slideshow, okay? So this is where we're going to put everything in for the slideshow. So we're going to do, and actually let's do start header instead of slideshow, because we're going to put a header tag in first, and then we'll do the other ones. Okay, so I'm going to bring this back up. I'm going to return once, and we're going to make a header tag, and I'm going to go just like that and have it kiss it. So that way when you make the next element, it'll be easier to do. So we're going to do start, and we'll call this carousel div. Okay, then we'll return twice, and we'll end the carousel div. All right, and now what we're going to do is we're going to create a div with a class of carousel, an ID, not a div. We're going to do a div with an ID of carousel example indicators. Okay. Yep, that's good. And then we're going to do a class of carousel slide, space slide. And we're going to do data ride. We're going to do an ordered list with a class of carousel indicators. Okay, and we'll do an ordered list. What the heck is it doing? There we go. Okay, we'll return that, and I'm going to do, we're going to do an LI with a class, with no class, a data target, equal to the ID of carousel example indicators. Okay, we're going to do data slide -2 equals 0. Okay, we're going to have a class of active, and we're going to close the LI. So I'm going to actually just click right here because for some reason this thing is going all over the place. So now we're going to do the same thing again. Data target equals carousel example indicators, okay, with a data slide 2 equals 0, or 1, I mean, sorry. And we're not going to do class equals active because that's only for the first slide. Okay, so we'll close that with an LI, and then I'm going to copy this, and we're going to do it again. So we'll do it one more time, and we'll just change the 1 to 2. Okay, so we got that done. So now what we're going to do is we're going to start carousel inner. Okay, so let me return once here, and let's do start carousel inner. And then let's end that too. So let's end carousel inner. Okay, and what we're going to do is we're going to tab in here, and we'll do div class carousel dash inner with a role equal to list box. Okay, and then what we're going to do is let's return, and I'm going to, okay, let's put it right here. We're going to start first slide. Let me do start first slide. There we go. And then we're going to end the first slide. End first slide. Okay, and we're going to tab in here, and we're going to do a div with a class of carousel dash item space active. Okay, and we're going to do a style background dash image and a URL. It's going to be http // placehold.it /1900 by 1080. Okay, and let's close that div. Okay, and then we're going to do div class carousel dash caption d dash none d dash md dash block. We'll close that, and we're going to do an h3 with first slide. Okay, and then a paragraph tag. This is a description for the first slide. Okay? All right, so that's the first slide is done. So now we're going to copy this, and we're going to call this second slide. So I'm going to copy that. I'm going to put it here, put it there. We're going to delete active. Okay? Everything else can stay the same. And we're going to copy this again, and this is going to be the third slide. Okay, so we'll do the third slide. Copy that. Save that. We're good to go there. Now what we're going to do is, did I close this div? Let me see if I did. Nope, I did not close the div. So we're going to close the div right here. I don't know why I didn't do that, but that's okay. We figured it out. There we go. All right, so we're going to end the carousel inner here. I'm going to return after that, and we're going to comment out start previous, and then we're going to end previous. So this is for the controller of the slideshow. Okay, so we got that, and now what I'm going to do is we're going to do an anchor. If I do it the right way, anchor with a class of carousel dash control dash prev href id carousel example indicators. Role is a button, so it's equal to a button. The data slide equals previous, so prev. And then we're going to do a